If you are wondering if we have Android 16 on Samsung Galaxy A17, then the answer actually depends when you are watching this video. So if we go to settings right now, as I'm recording this video, if I try to check for software update, you will see that I still have Android 15. And this is because Android 16 didn't come out yet on this smartphone. It is available on some flagship models or the top models of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. However, it is still not available on Galaxy A17. It will be available, apparently. Samsung plans on rolling out Android 16 from since September, I believe, 2025, something like that. So if you are watching this video in 2025 and you still don't have Android 16 on A17, then you just have to patiently wait, because apparently they want to do that till the end of the year. So, and if you are watching this video later, then most likely the Android 16 is already there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.